Alright, so we are out here today. I'm going to make another video after this installing the new airbox, the BMW Performance Intake. So we're going to be taking this one out first. I'm going to do a cold start, and then I'm going to do an exhaust note as well. Nothing has been done to this car engine-wise. The only thing I do have aftermarket is a vibrant exhaust on the back, which you won't hear until the next clip. But this is just a cold start, just to kind of give you an idea of what the stock airbox sounds like. All right, so this is the, we'll do an exhaust note. We'll also do a cold start for the new intake here and give you an idea of whether it sounds louder. You be the judge.
Should also do, you can hear it sucking in, you should also do it with the hood down, because you're going to get more concentration of air.
Yeah.
Especially on this guy.
Yeah. All right, this is the exhaust note of a 2005 BMW 330ci ZHP. I do have the vibrant exhaust fitted on there, and stay tuned for the note. Alright, so finally we are going to do the exhaust note on the vibrant exhaust on my 2005 330ci ZHP. We just installed the BMW Performance airbox, and this is going to be the second run of the rear exhaust note. There you have it.